Hi friends, I'm here to do an unboxing of the newest Artza Box from the Golan Heights. So this will be exciting to see what is in our new box. So here is the lovely set of cards. Sumac roast chicken. Beautiful postcards included. Here's something about the Golan Heights and says what's in the box right there. And here are some of the artisans who have items in the box. All right, let's see what we get. Here's Golan Heights. So first we have rose barak. So this is a spice crushed sumac. Wow, very fun. And we have some candy, it looks like. Chocolate Mania. White chocolate squares with raw cocoa nibs. Next we have a clay oil lamp and filler set. It says Jesus period replica pottery, educational and fully functional. Wow. So the set includes the lamp, the filler, and 2 cotton wicks, and a biblical presentation of the parable. I will open that up and see what it looks like. There we go. Wow, this looks so old. Look at that. This is very cool. And then the cotton wicks look like that. So this will be fun to figure out how to use. And next we have this little booklet goes with, oh, that is so pretty. Look how pretty that is. I love this. I'm going to put this in my office. And it looks like there's 3 more things. So we have something very well wrapped, so it won't break. Maybe it is a candle. That's what I'm guessing. Yes, Golan Dew scented soy wax candle. Oh, that smells really good. Love that. And tea, yay! I am a tea person, so this will be fun. Golan Heights lemongrass rose and lemon verbena tea. Yes, I'm going to try that. And last we have this wooden box. So I'm going to have to open this with the scissors because it is wrapped in plastic. Let's see what this is. Oh, Gaia's Tangram. 2 identical sets of 4 wooden pieces and a deck of cards. So a game to play, and then these are the cards that you designed. So this will be really fun. I love how educational this box is. So let me show you again what you have. So you've got this wooden tangram game, the tea, the spices, the what do they call this? The oil lamp set, which is really cool. The candy, and this gorgeous thing. So it's such a variety. I love this box. So you can head over to the link below this video to get an exclusive coupon code so you can order your own box.